So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Enbridge stock, ticker symbol ENB in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go to the bottom bar here and press on the magnifying glass. Then go to the top search bar and press on the search bar. As I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol ENB for Enbridge. So Enbridge Inc, the first option right here, press on that. Then press on buy at the bottom. Type in the amount that you wish to invest into Enbridge, but if you want to switch this to another, instead of a fractional buy to something else, I go to the top, press on fractional buy. Then you can do any of these 5 options right here, but we're just going to go ahead and keep fractional buy. Type in the amount that you want to invest. So I will just do $1 for this demonstration, and then press on continue. And pretty simple to confirm your purchase. Just press on confirm order at the bottom, and there you go. That is how to buy Enbridge stock, ticker symbol ENB in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.